Hello students, in last video we have studied about inverse of matrix by using elementary transformations. Now there is another way of finding inverse of matrix, that is inverse of matrix by using adjoint of a matrix. So in this video we will learn what is adjoint of matrix. First we find minor of an element of a determinant. Minor of an element aij of determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in which the element lies. डिटर्मिनंटच्या एखाद्या एलिमेंटचा मायनर काढायचा झाला तर काय करावं लागतं, तो एलिमेंट ज्या रो मध्ये आहे आणि ज्या कॉलम मध्ये आहे ती रो आणि तो कॉलम डिलीट करायचा, म्हणजे मनातल्या मनात आपल्याला तो हाईड करायचा आणि रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्सचा डिटर्मिनंट घ्यायचा आहे. तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ए डिटर्मिनंट. मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट aij is denoted by mij. Here m is capital and ij are suffix. For example, here A is a matrix 1 2 3 4. Therefore first row first column से element है 1, that is A11. Therefore its minor is denoted by M11. Therefore minor of A11 is equal to M11. Hide first row and first column, and therefore remaining here remains only one element 4. And therefore minor of A11 is 4. Then A12 first row second column चा element है 2, and therefore minor of A12 is denoted by M12. Hide first row second column, therefore remaining element is 3, and therefore minor of A12, that is M12, is equal to 3. Then A21 is 3. Second row first column चा element 3 है, and therefore minor of A21 is denoted by capital M21, and therefore hide second row first column, and therefore remaining element is 2. Therefore M21 is equal to 2. And now A22 second row second column चा element है 4. Therefore minor of A22 is denoted by M22. Hide second row second column, and therefore remaining element is 1, and therefore M22 is equal to 1. Cofactor of an element of a determinant. Here cofactor of element aij of a determinant is given by minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij, where mij is a minor of an element aij, and therefore cofactor of an element aij is denoted by capital Aij. Cofactor of an element is obtained by using the formula minus 1 raised to row number plus column number into minor of an element, and therefore here element A11 is 1, and therefore its minor is 4. We have seen in last example, and therefore cofactor of A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, that is equal to 4. Cofactor of A12 is equal to capital A12. It is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. Here M12 is equal to 3. Cofactor of an cofactor of A21 is minus 1 into 2, that is equal to 2, and cofactor of small a22 is capital A22, that is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into minor of that element, that is equal to 1 into 1, 1. Here are some properties of cofactors. The sum of the products of elements of any row of the determinant and their cofactors is always equal to the value of the determinant. एखाद्या रोच्या इलेमेंट्सला त्यांच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग इलेमेंटनं करस्पॉन्डिंग कोफॅक्टर्सनं मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि मग त्या सगळ्या प्रॉडक्ट्सची ॲडिशन घेतली तर त्याची सम ही ऑलवेज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दी डिटर्मिनंट असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल A21 into its cofactor plus A22 into its cofactor plus A23 into its cofactor up to A2n into its cofactor is equal to determinant of A. आणि हेच जर एखाद्या इलेमेंटच्या एखाद्या रोच्या सर्व इलेमेंटला त्यांच्या इतर रोमधल्या करस्पॉन्डिंग इलेमेंट्सच्या कोफॅक्टर्सनं मल्टिप्लाय करून जर त्यांची सम घेतली तर ती 0 येते. दी सम ऑफ द प्रॉडक्ट्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी रो ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट अँड कोफॅक्टर्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डिफरंट रो इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. फॉर एक्झाम्पल A21 इंटू कोफॅक्टर ऑफ A31 प्लस A22 इंटू कोफॅक्टर ऑफ A32 प्लस A23 इंटू कोफॅक्टर ऑफ A33 up to A2n into cofactor of A3n is equal to 0. Matrix of cofactors. If a square matrix of order 3, then the matrix of its cofactors is given by AIG, that is matrix obtained by replacing elements by its by their corresponding cofactors is called as matrix of cofactors. Then adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint of a square matrix is defined as the transpose of matrix of cofactors. Given मॅट्रिक्सच्या कोफॅक्टर्सचा मॅट्रिक्स घ्यायचा आणि त्या येणाऱ्या कोफॅक्टरच्या मॅट्रिक्सचा जर ट्रान्सपोज घेतला तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, adjoint of a matrix. Therefore, adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. इथे दिलेला आहे वर बघितला तर मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स तुम्हाला A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 असं दिसेल. आणि adjoint of A कॅपिटल A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33 असा मिळेल. Next, here is one example. Find matrix of cofactors for matrix A. Matrix A दिला आहे आणि cofactors matrix काढून तुम्हाला hence find adjoint of A म्हटलं. Here capital A11 is -1/1 plus 1 into M11. Therefore -1/1 plus 1 into the determinant obtained by deleting first row first column, and therefore solving this, that is equal to -14. A12 is 0 and therefore capital A12 is -1/1 plus 2 into determinant obtained by deleting first row second column, and therefore this is equal to -10. Hence capital A13 is -1/1 plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting first row third column, that is -2, 0, 1, 3, and therefore this is equal to -6. Capital A21 is -1/2 plus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting second row first column. Hence it is 0, 2, 3, -5. Again A22, capital A22 is -1/2 plus 2 into M22, that is equal to -1/2 plus 2 into determinant obtained by deleting second row second column, that is determinant 1, 2, 0, -5. Hence solving this is equal to -5. Capital A23 is equal to -1/2 plus 3 into M23, that is -1/2 plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting second row third column, and second row third column delete करून येणारा determinant काय आहे, 1, 0, 0, 3. Solving we will get -3. हा इथं मॅट्रिक्स ए हा आपल्या रेफरन्ससाठी घेतलेला आहे. Therefore here capital A31 is minus 1/3 plus 1 into M31. That is minus 1/3 plus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting third row first column, that is determinant 0 2 1 3, and solving this is equal to minus 2. A32, capital A32 is minus 1/3 plus 2 into M32. Therefore minus 1/3 plus 2 into determinant obtained by deleting third row second column, that is 1 2 minus 2 3, and hence its value is minus 7. A33, capital A33 is equal to minus 1/3 plus 3 into M33, that is equal to minus 1/3 plus 3 into the determinant obtained by deleting third row third column, that is determinant 1 0 minus 2 1, and solving this is equal to 1. इथं कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना मायनस 1/2 जर इव्हन नंबर आला, मायनस 1ची पॉवर जर इव्हन नंबर आला तर तो प्लस 1 येतो. ऑड नंबर आला, मायनस 1ची पॉवर ऑड नंबर आला तर तो नंबर त्याची व्हॅल्यू मायनस 1 येते, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. अँड देअरफॉर मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स, इलेमेंटच्या जागी त्याचे कोफॅक्टर्स लिहून येणारा मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स. अँड देअरफॉर ॲडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स. जे मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टरमध्ये जे नंबर रो वाईज आहेत ते कॉलम वाईज लिहा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ॲडजॉइंट ऑफ ए मिळेल. तर फर्स्ट रोची इलेमेंट ॲडजॉइंट ऑफ एमध्ये फर्स्ट कॉलमला, सेकंड रोचे इलेमेंट सेकंड कॉलमला लिहिलेले आहेत आणि थर्ड रोचे थर्ड कॉलमला लिहिलेले आहेत. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स अँड ॲडजॉइंट ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स काढता येईल.
So the example is, if A is this matrix, then verify that matrix A into adjoint of A, that is equal to adjoint of A into A, that is equal to identity matrix of the same order. Therefore, first we check determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant obtained by writing the all elements at their corresponding places. That is 1 minus 1 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. And 1 0 minus 0. Minus of minus 1 into 9 minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 0 minus 2. Therefore 0 plus 11 plus 0, that is equal to 8. Now to find adjoint of A, we have to find matrix of cofactors. And so we have to find cofactors of all the element. Therefore cofactor of the element in the place of first row first column. By the formula, it is equal to minus 1 raised to row number plus column number into the determinant obtained by adding first row first column. 0 0 minus 2 3, and therefore this is equal to 1 into 0 0. Therefore A 1 2 minus 1 raised to row number plus column into determinant obtained by adding first row second row. First row second row, that is equal to 3 1 minus 2 3, and therefore this is equal to minus 1 9 plus 2 minus 11. Therefore A 1 3 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into determinant obtained by adding first row third column, that is 3 1 0 0, that is equal to 1 into 0 0. Now next, A 2 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to row number plus column number into the determinant obtained by adding second row first column, minus 1 to 0 3, minus 1 to 0 3, and this is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 minus 0, that is equal to plus 3. Therefore A 2 second row second column, This determinant obtained by adding second row, second column. 1, 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 1 into 3 minus 2. 1. Now 8, 2, 3. Cofactor of the element in place of second row, third row. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Second row, third row. 1 minus 1, 1, 0. That is equal to minus 1 into 0 plus 1. That is equal to minus 1. Now 8, 3, 1. Minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into determinant. Determinant obtained by adding third row, first column. Minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1. That is equal to 1 into 2 minus 0. 2. Now 8, 3, 2. Minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into the determinant. Determinant obtained by adding third row, second row. 1, 3, 2, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. That is equal to 8. Now 8, 3, 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into the determinant obtained by adding third row, third column. That is equal to 1, 3 minus 1, 0. And therefore this is equal to 1 into 0 minus of minus 3 means plus 3. That is equal to 3. Therefore, matrix of cofactors Aij is equal to A11 0, A12 minus 11, A13 0, then A21 3, A22 1, A23 minus 1, A31 2, A32 8, A33 3. Therefore, adjoint of A. You know that adjoint of A is obtained by adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix, and then it is obtained by writing the elements which are row-wise. We have to write those elements in column. That is 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1 2 8 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to 8 into adjoint of A. You can write it slowly. Therefore, matrix A 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2 and 1 0 3 into adjoint of A 0 3 2 minus 11 1 8 0 minus 1 3. Therefore, 1 into 0 0 plus 11 plus 0, 1 into 3 3 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then first row third column 1 into 2 2 minus 8 plus 6. Then second row first column 0 plus 0 plus 0. 2 into 3 9 plus 0 plus 2. 3 into 2 6 plus 0 minus 6. Then third row first column 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then third row second column 3 plus 0 minus. Third row third column 2 plus 0 plus 1. And therefore this is equal to 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. By taking 11 common from all the matrix, there therefore 11 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and therefore 11 into I 11 into 11 means determinant of 8 into I on this and therefore this is equal to RHS. Similarly, we can do adjoint of A into matrix A is equal to determinant of A into R and therefore A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of I. Determinant of A into